3, 2, 1. Hello guys, welcome to Hobbies Beyblade, and today I'm going to show you the DB Xcalibur. This 3D painted Beyblade was sent by Monggi Station or Monggi Station, and this one is called New DB Xcalibur Holy Xcalibur. So this one is the 3D painted Beyblade DB Xcalibur, and I guess he was calling it Holy Xcalibur. And if you want to see the gimmicks and how he did this one, how he did make this one, please check his channel. He has some awesome Beyblade battles using this one and more other awesome 3D printed Beyblades. So without further ado, I will just show you the Beyblade parts that I used. Okay guys, so first thing is the layer. This one is really wide, by the way, and it feels a little bit heavy. I'm using the 7 armor. Let's look at the disc plus the, what do you call this, frame or upgrade. Okay guys, so I am using the Nexus disc, and what he did is he made this X gear or the Xcalibur gear. This is also 3D painted, and he actually put some metals here. So it have metals here, and then I guess these are all 3D painted materials. And I'm using the Venture driver with V gear. So this one is really heavy and aggressive. So let's build this one, and let's do some test battles and test spin also. Okay guys, so let's do a test spin first with this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So there you go. Honestly, the color combination of this one is really good, and hopefully the other OG Beyblade Burst characters returned in Beyblade Burst DB. So there you go. Let's do some battles with all of our DB Beyblades now. Okay guys, so our first opponent is Xavier Valkyrie. As you guys can see, this one is the size of this one is really wide, but it's the same height or lower than Xavier Valkyrie. Let's do the battle now. Let's see who's going to win. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! So that was a burst finish. This one is very unbalanced, by the way. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Burst finish. Again. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. Oh! Oh man, the hits of this one is really insane, because as you guys can see, this is the contact point, right? Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Okay, our next big team, opponent is Cyclone Ragdoll. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ring out finish. Winner is the DB Xcalibur Holy Xcalibur. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, this is really fun. Hold on. I just wanted to launch this again. Oh man, I need to be very careful with this one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, this one is... I think this one is a little bit more dangerous than the regular DB Bay launcher. DB Beyblades. Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Okay, next opponent is Astralis. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. This DB Xcalibur 3D painted Beyblade is really crazy. Oh! It lost a lot of stamina. Astral Spriggan is really good. Winner is Astral Spriggan. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice. Heavy hits. Oh man, the Astral Spriggan is I guess absorbing its attack. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, what? Ah! Double burst. I think there was a part that was chipped. Oh, I guess this is from this Beyblade. So double burst finish. Our next opponent is Perfect Belial. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, nice hit from Perfect Belial. Ooh, nice attack. Oh, winner is the Perfect Belial. 1-0. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Double burst. But I'm not sure who bursted first. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, the collision of these two Beyblades is just so intense that they're doing a double burst. Okay, our next opponent is Perfect Dangerous Belial. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, they're moving with the same behavior. Oh, nice hit. Perfect Dangerous Belial versus DB Xcalibur. Oh man, the winner is Perfect Dangerous Belial. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. Oof. By the way, some of the edges of the DB Xcalibur is actually really sharp. Okay, winner is the Perfect Dangerous Belial. 2-0. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice hit from the DB Xcalibur. Winner is the DB Xcalibur, but the points is actually 2-1. Okay, DB Xcalibur versus Prominence Phoenix. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Ring out finish. Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Oopsie. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. There's the armor. Who's going to win the stamina battle? Prominence Phoenix is the winner. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Oh. 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 Okay, winner is the Prominence Phoenix Beyblade. Okay, next opponent is Vanish from Near. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and the Vanish from Near up. Oh! It's attack. It was almost ring out sa the DB Xcalibur. Okay, winner is Vanish from Near. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, there you go. There you go, there you go. Oh! Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Blah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, ring out finish. Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Let's do a bonus round. I will do a weak lunge for this one. Okay, weak lunge. Vanish Fopnir. Then let's launch the DB Xcalibur. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh! Is the Vanish Fopnir going to win? Oh man, it's doing steel spin! Oh, I think it won or it's a draw. Okay, our next opponent is Roar Bahamut. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Winner is the Roar Bahamut. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, nice hit! Okay, Survivor finish, stamina battle. Winner is Roar Bahamut. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Ring out finish. Winner is the DB Xcalibur. Holy Xcalibur. Okay, next opponent is Guilty Longinus. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Oh! Nice hit! Woo! Winner is Guilty Longinus. Survivor finish. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, burst! Oh man. Intense hit winner is the guilty Longinus. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there was a part that was destroyed. Oh, it still spin! Oh, it still spin! Nice! Okay, there was a part that was tipped away from the DB Xcalibur. Winner is guilty Longinus, I guess. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Winner is guilty Longinus, survivor finish. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ring out finish. Winner is the guilty Longinus. Let's launch it again. Don't tell me the guilty Longinus will still win this one. If yes, then guilty Longinus is definitely approved better than the DB Xcalibur. Oh man, seriously, it still won. Okay guys, that's all for our DB Xcalibur video. Again, thank you to Monggi Station for giving us this DB Xcalibur Beyblade. It's really nice, guys, and it looks awesome. Make sure to visit his YouTube channel. Like the video, subscribe to our channel for more Beyblade contents. You're awesome. Bye-bye.